Safari and Adventure Park proudly present the Bird Show. And to be your host for today, Mr. Jake.
Mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. Hi! Did you see our group of pigeons? So did you know that pigeons are used as some messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine-footed friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our fine-footed friends? Alright, to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, to welcome our fluent Umacone, Amigo. Now, Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits the rainforest of Brazil. He is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here some trashes and Amigo is going to show us how to clean this mess. Alright, so first, you pick up the plastic cup. What's the next thing to do, buddy? Open the bin and drop it inside of our next one, buddy. You pick up the can, you walk all the way. Open and drop it inside of our last one, buddy. You pick up the crumpled paper, you walk all the way. Open the bin and drop it inside. See if the bird can do, why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. That's right. Now, Amigo, together with his fine-footed friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? What is it? What do you want to say? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Hardy, Sony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are adopted, meaning when they surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And there are more than 400 parrot species globally, and blue and gold macaws rank as the third largest parrot, following hyacinth and the green-winged macaws. Alright guys, do you want to stay with me here? Or you want to go inside and get more food now? I think you'll have to stay with me still. A round of applause for our flying macaws. Now for the next bird, he is very special. Can you say Jumbo? Louder everyone, say Jumbo! There you are, buddy. So here's our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Now buddy, can you wave to the crowd? Hi! Now everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo and say hello? So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that can grow up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. It's your turn, everybody. Alright, good bird. Now we'll last one. Good bird. So as you can see, most of their color is outside of their body and less color is under their wings. Now I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings?
Wings.
That's what everyone, say wings. So macaws' feet are side-dactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. They also use their feet to hold on things and now Miss Debbie here is a groundnut. She will place it into the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. So look everyone, he carefully remove the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Well, that's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. So we will be having the spell and test first. We have here 5 animal pictures: the zebra, the snake, the camel, the tiger, and the horse. I want you to choose one animal picture. What would you choose? Alright, here's some tigers, so let's have tiger with this here. Well, Mr. James is preparing for the Jumbo letters, so let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie about Jumbo. Hi, Miss Debbie, how are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear, Miss Debbie. Now, Miss Debbie, for the first question, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess you'll have to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, I think we're also ready. Take a good look at the picture. What is the spelling of tiger? Oops, you made a shortcut. You pick up the letter I. How about the first one, buddy? What do you made a shortcut? You forget the first letter, okay? You pick up the letter G, and you pick up the letter T. Alright, how about the fourth one? You pick up the letter E, and last one, buddy. Last one. And you pick up the letter R. So tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Alright, now it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. So let's make it more difficult. So we will be having the mathematical test in addition form. Now everyone, can you give me two numbers between 1 to 10? Hand sign lang, about this side. Hand sign. Alright, let's have some 6. About this side. Alright, let's have some 5. 6 plus 5. Alright, Jumbo buddy. What is 6 plus 5? Hi, so don't worry, we'll ask another question with Miss Debbie about Jumbo. Now, Miss Debbie, I'm curious about what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
So Jumbo loves to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And Miss Debbie, I'm curious about what are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
Alright, so English and math. So let's try the math, buddy. What is 6 plus 5? Alright, okay, make sure that's right. Alright, so first you pick up the number 1. Alright, how about the last one, buddy? Last one. And you pick up the number 1.
Wow.
So 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. Is it correct?
Woo!
Alright, so round of applause for Greenwing Makoni, Jumbo. Come on, buddy. And alright, sir, can you turn off the flash of your phone? Alright, so sunken ears are medium-sized bird. It has a golden plumage from its head down to its underpart. So Ate Ara, can you assist the kid? Can you assist the kid? So it has a golden plumage from its head down to its underparts and green wings. And despite of their size, Bunny has a big heart. He loves to share. So after he finishes food, he will go back inside and call his friends. Alright, thank you so much, Ate. Alright, sir. Okay. Ma'am, are you ready? Alright, so please be ready as I want you to meet our group of Sunkeneers, Bunny's friends. So Sunkeneers, also known as Sun Parakeets, they are playful, social, and had a very loud voice. It can be seen throughout northeastern part of South America, like Venezuela and Brazil. Alright, ma'am, sir, can you check your phones? Kindly turn off the flashes of your phones. So if you want to feed our Sunkeneers, we also have the birds of the world. Okay, thank you so much. So Sunkeneers are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. And when their partner dies, that's the time they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Now for the next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with a peso bill. An adult volunteer with a paper bill. Okay, join me at the stage, ma'am. Careful, please watch your steps. This way, ma'am. Alright, so good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to the show. May I know your name? Lilith. Alright, stand right here, ma'am. So, Ma'am Lilith, can you show it to the crowd your money? So, Ma'am Lilith has 100 peso here. So, all you have to do, ma'am, is hold your money to have out. By the way, ma'am, can you put your bag here? Okay? So, all you have to do, ma'am, is fold your money into half 3 times, same direction. And then stretch your arms and hold your money at the tip like this. Alright, are you ready, ma'am? Are you sure with your 100 pesos?
Yes.
Alright, she's sure. So stand still, don't make extra movements. As I welcome you to another cute and fluffy son in your name, Sunny. Now Sunny loves money, so normally in the world, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to my planet and he picked the 100 peso bill. So bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 100 pesos. Easy money. Mom, we're not done yet, ma'am. Yeah, we're not done yet. Do you have any message to the bird? Sunny said, ma'am, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, serious question, ma'am. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy?
Yes, I
Did you really enjoy? Alright, so since you really enjoy, can we do it one more time with 1,000 pesos?
volunteers.
No, ma'am, you need to do it with 1,000 pesos.
1,000.
Where's your 1,000, ma'am?
It's fun.
Sir, 1,000, sir. No, I'm just joking, ma'am. So, put your back over there. So, we will return your money. So, all you have to do is to stretch your arms and open your palm. So, don't worry, Sunny is a very good bird. He loves seeds more than money. So, kindly grab the money, ma'am, and not the bird, okay? Alright, come on, Sunny. Let's return the money. Alright? So, Sunny flies back all the way to the left and he put the 100 peso back. So, round of applause for second your name, Sunny. And ma'am, since you joined me at this stage, is it okay that you will be our last volunteer? Alright, so all you have to do is to hold one of our clubs. Just stand right here, ma'am, and hold like this. Alright, all set? Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to our talented second your name, Jack and Jill. Come on, buddies. Alright, so pass to the first one, you're going to short cap to the third one. How about last one, buddies? Alright, so pass to the first one, you're going to second one, and they pass to the third one. Last one? Alright, last one. Last one, guys. Alright, you pass to the first one, you're going to second one, and they pass to the third one. So round of applause for our talented second your name, Jack and Jill. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Please watch your steps. Careful. Alright, Mr. Horn. Oops. Too high, Miss Debbie. Another one. Good catch, Mr. Horn. Good catch. So as you can see, toucans is a large and colorful bill that's look heavy, but in reality that's actually light because that is made of protein and keratin, just like our fingernails and hairs. Alright, so they are also adoptable bird, meaning when they lost their home, you can easily find another one. They are also the least of IUCN as least concern. Alright, Mr. Horn, you want to stay here? So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Well, that's what, Mr. Horn. Good catch. Alright, you want to stay here or you want to go inside and get more fruits now? Do you like to stay with me here? Alright, so round of applause for our Tuca name, Mr. Horn. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends as we have here our yellow crown Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Ms. Jahan and Mr. James.
Okay, thank you, Mr. J. Okay, everyone, this is our yellow crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow crown Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. And mimic is the sound of what they heard in the day.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
animal. First is a rooster. Kabady, a rooster. How about cat?
Ready in the mark.
And also, they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. Kabady, telephone. How about whistle?
And also, Rudy and Lani, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm-up.
La, 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 la.
How about the first song? Okay, again. Okay, for the second song, the mass first. So celebrating their birthdays today rather than this month. Okay, hi, I'm Bernie, and now listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Everybody sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday. Okay, last one. No, last one, sing happy birthday. So everyone, a round of applause for making birthday, Lani and Rudy.
And lastly, they will fly closer to you. So kindly sit down. And the birds of prey we have here is the diurnal type, meaning they're more active during the daytime and do their hunt mostly during the daytime. Okay? Please sit down.
Lagi.
Hi, Mom. Can you sit down, Mom? Okay, please sit down. It's for your own safety. Alright, I think we're all set. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our first birds of prey, put your hands together for our snatching prey and flight, our Brahmanicite named Glider. So, Brahmanicite is formerly known as Red-backed Sea Eagle in Australia and locally known here in the Philippines as Banug in Bisaya and Lawig in Tagalog. So, a round of applause for our Brahmanicite named Glider. Now, for the next bird, we will first need a lure. So a lure is handled by Mr. James because this bird will showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. All set, Mr. James? Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert for a Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Good guess, Hunter. Now we reckon Miss Debbie, she is the real food or the real prey, as Hunter will let go of the lure without an exchange. So as you can see, Miss Debbie is wearing a thick gloves to protect herself from the sharp talons of the bird. And Filipino hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Considered as a medium raptor that can grow to 65 to 75 centimeters with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause for a Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now from the medium-sized birds of prey, let's meet one of the largest birds of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. So with that again, please sit down and then try to reach out this way. All set? Now ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high for a white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as white-breasted sea eagle or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its back and wings are dark gray in color. Considered as a large raptor that can grow to 75 to 85 centimeters with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. And there are also the list of IUCN as is concerned. And lastly, white-billed sea eagles are the largest birds of prey in United Kingdom. So round of applause for a white-billed sea eagle named Marina. And to see at this moment, we have here flying lories all the way from Australia. So we have three types of lories, the black-cap lorry, the chattering lories, and the rainbow lorry. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace, prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. And also our scarlet IPs all the way from South America. Come on, buddies. But before we total end the show, let me introduce you to the people behind of this success. My partner on stage, our senior bird trainer, Miss Debbie, together with Marina, and our assistant bird trainer at the back, Miss Jehan, Miss Rachel, Miss Donna, Mr. Charles, Mr. Irvin, Mr. Rubnik, and our songman actor, Mr. Ricky, and our volunteer staff, Miss Ara. And yours truly, my name is Jake. Thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the wild.